Our next competitor is Catherine Seed. Catherine is in the third year of her PhD and is a member of Joe Tompkins' lab at the Centre for Evolutionary Biology in the School of Animal Biology. In her spare time, Catherine studies and teaches improvisation and is a member of the improv troupe OTH. Her thesis title is The Unicellular Volvochine Alga Chlamydomonas Reinhardti as a Model for the Evolution of Sexual Reproduction and Anosogamy. Her 3MT talk title is much easier. It is Size Matters, the Evolution of Sperm and Egg. Catherine Seed.
The story I want to tell you is a seedy thriller. Not because my name's Seed, but because I've studied the evolution of sperm and eggs. The egg is the largest cell in the human body, while the sperm is the smallest. The fusion of these extreme cells sparked the life of everyone here. This might seem normal, because it is, but it hasn't always been like that. When sex first evolved, the reproductive cells of the two sexes were the same size. Then, hundreds of millions of years ago, sperm and eggs started appearing over and over again, independently across the tree of life. But why? It's a question that has surprisingly deep implications, because the evolution of sperm and egg was the first physical difference that separated males from females. Some argue that before this, males and females didn't exist at all. This difference set the stage for all the sex differences we see in nature, from peacock feathers to the horns of male rhinoceros beetles to hipster beards. Well, beards. My PhD asks, why did sperm and egg evolve? To do this, I use a species that never evolved sperm and egg. Its reproductive cells are the same size. By controlling their environment over hundreds of generations, I can aim to rerun evolution and to test some of the ideas that have been put forward to explain why sperm and egg evolved. For example, sperm are smaller and can swim, unlike most eggs. So many of us assume that they're small because they swim, that being smaller is more hydrodynamic, gets them to the egg faster. Well, to test this, I created the Micro-Olympics. By racing cells over and over again, I could evolve groups of cells that swam at different speeds. If swimming fast was important in the evolution of the smaller sperm, then the fastest cells would be the smaller ones. The data that's coming in is actually showing the opposite, the fastest cells being the larger cells, suggesting that swimming may not have played as large a role as we thought, and leading us now to question the other side of the coin. What the benefit, instead of the evolution of a small sperm, the evolution of a larger egg. When I started this talk, I promised you a seedy thriller. It's more of a seedy mystery, because we don't know why sperm and eggs evolved. And while some might be unsettled by the idea that the first thing that defined males was their small size, the evolution of sperm and egg is the key to unraveling why males and females came to exist at all. Thank you.